Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for the love on my latest vlog because I honestly felt so, not even nervous, but like I had anticipation for it because I hadn't posted on YouTube in so long. But I feel like I'm making steady progress and here I am with another vlog for you guys. And today we're going to basically be doing a summer reset because I feel like my space needs a little reset, it needs a little organisation, dusting and clearing and basically just general sorting out. So I feel like I need a bit of TLC because although I look put together right now, my hair has been in a slick bun for the last 3 days. No exaggeration, I actually am a bit scared about like how much product is in my hair right now. But yeah, generally I need to do a little reset and I thought, why not bring you guys along with me and hopefully motivate you guys to do the same as well, because I feel like when you feel put together and all your space and stuff is organised, you feel so much more motivated. And as a chronic type A person, I fear that I need to get organised and keep my space intact, otherwise I cannot function. And I feel like that is definitely a sign that something needs to change. So we're going to get into it. Also, we're officially in summer season, which is insane to think, but I feel like it's even better excuse to actually do a little reset, get ready for a new season. And I feel like I just want to have like a fresh start today and basically get all geared up for summer. I basically do a weekly reset anyway on Sundays, so this isn't too different from that, but I feel like I wanted to make it a bit more summer inspo and definitely a bit more glow up related because I need to do my hair later, I need to do a little skincare routine. On a completely separate note, I've been loving this new lip combo and I just tried it out today. It's the NYX Jelly Job and it's actually so good, guys. It's literally what I'm wearing right now. Of course, I've got my like MAC cork clip liner on, which is like holy ritual. I'm liking this combo. This is the shade Jelly Filled, so if you guys do want to have a look, honestly, NYX is killing it at the moment and I fear that this might be my new combo for the summer. Anyway, enough of me waffling, let's get into doing a little summer reset, getting our shit together, and first things first, we need to do a little clean reset of my room because although it might not look messy to you guys, to me this is messy because I need to like have a deep clean, like wash my bed sheets, do a bit of dusting, organise the drawers. Like it's surface level looking clean, but like to me it's not really clean. So yeah, let's get into it and basically get stuff done. Okay, so vanity area is all dusted and cleared and organised. It just looks so nice and shiny and brand new, which I love. This was honestly the best investment I ever made, this little makeup organiser. I think I got this from TikTok actually. And yeah, it's just perfect. It stores all my skincare products. It also has these little compartments as well, which is really useful. The one thing I find really annoying though about my room is that everything is white. So the dust just collects like literally every single day. I've just spent the last half an hour dusting everything, making sure everything looks clean and reset. So yeah. Bedding is also in the wash, so we're going to take that out now, and luckily the weather's really nice today. I just literally need to do the last few finishing touches in the room. I need to clean my desk area, I need to give my room a hoover, and basically that's everything done. Then we can basically carry on with the rest of the reset, but so far so good. I'm feeling productive, feeling energized, and I feel like just the simplest little reset like this makes me feel so good and makes me feel like I've accomplished so much in the day. It's also really hot, guys. Like I don't know what's going on with the weather right now in the UK, but like 1 minute it's raining, 1 minute it's hot, and apparently we're having another heat wave next week, which is just brilliant. Yeah, let's crack through the last few errands and then I'm gonna have a much deserved break and some food because I need to refuel. Okay guys, just checking checking in. I've literally just done my room. It's all clean and reset now, and I can finally have some lunch because I'm absolutely starving. I'm gonna make this really yummy chicken burrito bowl. I literally just made it the other day and it turned out so good. So I'm gonna see if I can make it again because honestly, it was just chef's kiss. My main priority this year is just eating foods that actually energize me, but also high in protein, high in fiber, all well-rounded, balanced meals. I literally found this recipe as well on TikTok and I just copied it and it turned out really well. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's make a yummy chicken burrito bowl because I am starving. Let's get into it. Pop the chicken in, which has been marinated. It's going to be cooking for 20 minutes now, and in the meantime I'm going to prep the vegetables that are going to go on the side. Basically I'm going to use half an avocado. I'm also going to use some red baby tomatoes, which is this chef's kiss, and then we also have a little bit of coriander. I have a little bit of red onion as well, actually leftover sweet corn from yesterday, so I'm going to use that as well. Also guys, I'm not claiming to be a chef, this is just obviously a recipe that I liked and it worked for me, so if you guys are interested in more of this sort of content, do let me know, because maybe this is like the start of my chef era, I don't know, but I've never claimed to be a good cook, but I can do like basic stuff like this. This is the finished result, guys. What do we think? Honestly, I just love this meal. It's so yummy. So that's the chicken thighs, avocado, a bit of cheese, baby sweet corn, and then obviously that little veg mix that I prepped there. That's literally giving summer, but in a bowl. It's so yummy and filling as well. It honestly looks so good and so yummy, and I'm absolutely starving. I just want to experiment with different cooking recipes and stuff. I feel like I'm not very spontaneous when it comes to the kitchen, so that's definitely something I'm trying to improve on. So good. You could even add like a bit of salsa dip to this, which I think would be really nice, just as like a little dipping. I'm going to tuck into this now and basically enjoy, and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. It is a little while later now, and I thought I would just basically update you guys. So I literally didn't even get a chance to do my pedicure, which is so sad because today has just been so hectic. I mean, I did get a lot of stuff done. I've done my room, I've cleaned my space, but anyway, I'm gonna basically oil my hair now, and I thought I'd show you guys what I use. This is like my go-to thing, especially before hair wash day, which is what I'm gonna do now because, guys, it's looking like Slick Rick over here. This is the Tardy Pure Hair Oil. I absolutely love this hair oil, and honestly, I've seen such a noticeable difference, especially in these areas where you perhaps lose hair quite quickly. I feel like it's definitely made a difference. And touch wood, I've been blessed with very good hair genes. I have thick curly hair, but I feel like I just want to add this step sometimes just for that extra bit of treatment and a bit of TLC for my hair. I'm going to pop this in and then basically let it marinate. And you really want to like focus it on the scalp. I feel like you can't beat the old school method, like just rubbing it in. I know some people tend to leave oil in overnight, but I feel like it just clogs up my scalp, and because I have quite thick hair, it will definitely clog up my scalp. Like, sometimes I do like a slick bun moment, but it gets to a point where it was getting a bit disgusting, and I was like, I need to wash my hair today. I've changed my bed sheets, and that is a non-negotiable. Once I change my bed sheets, I'm washing my hair. And obviously not forgetting the ends as well. I feel like, especially in the heat, my hair has really struggled and it's just a bit dry on the ends. I actually do need to get a haircut, but I feel like I get so scared getting my hair done because I feel like people chop it too much and then I end up with like a curly bob, because obviously because I have curly hair, my hair like springs up, so it looks way shorter than I want it. So a bit scared about that, but we'll see how the rest of this month goes. Okay, hair is all slicked back with oil. It's ready to marinate for a bit. I'm gonna go downstairs, chill for a bit, and then head back up and wash everything out, so it's all nice and fresh. What I will say though is I've had a very productive day so far. I've actually hit 10k plus steps today, which is insane. I'm on 12,000 steps, guys. What? That's actually so good. But yeah, it's time to go downstairs, chill for a bit, and then I will catch up with you guys once I'm out the shower. Let me show you guys what products I use as well. I've been absolutely loving Garnier's Curly Moisturiser Duo Set. Like, they come as a set. You can buy it individually, obviously, but I felt like when I bought them together, it's made such a big difference to my hair. This is the Method for Curls 72-hour moisture. This is the shampoo, and it's sulfate-free, silicone-free, which is amazing, especially for curly hair people. I feel like it affects me so much when I use the wrong products. My hair feels really dry, my curls are not that springy or defined even. So this has made such a big difference. Not gonna lie, I was a little bit hesitant at the beginning because I thought, sometimes curly hair products that say that they're for curly hair are not really for curly hair and you don't actually see results, but this one actually gave me curly hair. I feel like my hair is naturally curly anyway. I wanted a hair routine that was actually going to help define and nourish the curls. I go in afterwards with the Method for Curls moisturiser. This is their conditioner. So step one is obviously the shampoo, and then I follow in with this just for that moisture. So yeah, both these things I've been loving recently. I've been using it for the last 3 weeks, and I can confidently say if you have curly thick hair like me, then this is your duo. I love it. I actually really love it. Catch up with you guys in a bit.